Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we're going to learn the difference between can and could in just 2 minutes. So let's get started. Can is an auxiliary or helping verb. We use can to talk about possibility and ability or make requests. Can is used when referring to something with a strong possibility or occurring. For example, she can solve the problem easily, I'm sure. Or can I play football? Or if you finish your homework, we can go to the movie. Or they can write the words in order. Could. Could is a modal auxiliary verb that refers to a possibility, ability, or capacity. Could is used to refer to something that has a weak possibility. Could can be used to make a request, but when asking for permission, could is the more polite choice to use. And yes, could is the past tense of can. It refers to an ability that a person generally had in the past or to something that was generally possible in the past. For example, when I was younger, I could run for miles. Could you tell me what time it is? Or they could be right. So friends, today we've learned can versus could in just 2 minutes. If you liked the video, just give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!